Is your Nintendo Switch Lite completely unresponsive? No power, black screen, and it won't wake up from sleep no matter what you try? This can happen due to a frozen system, battery drain, or a temporary software glitch. Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to fix it. Let's get started. So normally, your Switch turns on when you hold to the power button for 1 or 2 seconds. But since it's not turning on, press and hold down the power button on top of your Switch. Keep holding it for 15 full seconds. Yes, count it out. 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 15. Then release the button. Wait a second. Now press the power button once, normally for 3 seconds. If the screen turns on, great! Your Switch just needed a forced reboot. If the screen doesn't turn on, then that's also okay. It may not have been charged properly. Plug the Switch into its original charger. Make sure you use the official Nintendo AC adapter. Plug directly into a wall outlet, not a power strip or USB hub. Let it charge for at least 30 minutes. Then try the 15-second hold trick again. Sometimes a completely drained battery just needs a little time. And with that, your problem will be fixed. Let me know if these steps helped you out or if you need further help in the comments. Be sure to give the video a like if it was helpful and subscribe to the channel for more solution on your Switch. Thanks a lot for watching.